Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Begin by parking on level ground and setting the parking brake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent roll. Locate the Tucson's designated lift points and raise the vehicle using a hydraulic jack, then place jack stands under the factory-rated support points before working. Always wear eye protection and gloves. Gather tools: 17 mm socket for caliper bolts, 14 mm or 19 mm for wheel lugs depending on your model, a 3/8" drive ratchet, C-clamp, flathead screwdriver, brake cleaner, and a torque wrench set to 88 ft-lb for lug nuts. Start by loosening the lug nuts slightly while the car is still on the ground, then jack and support the Tucson on stands and fully remove the wheel. Spray the caliper area with brake cleaner, then use a 17 mm socket to remove the 2 caliper guide bolts and carefully slide the caliper off the rotor. Do not let it hang by the brake hose. Hang it with a bungee or hook. Remove the old pads from the caliper bracket, note their orientation, and use a C-clamp to slowly retract the piston into the caliper housing. Check the rotor surface for deep scoring and measure rotor thickness against the manufacturer minimum. Replace rotors if under specification. Clean the caliper bracket and apply high temperature. Break grease to the pad contact points and backing plates. Install any new anti-rattle clips or shims and seat the new pads in the bracket with the friction material facing the rotor. Carefully reposition the caliper over the pads and torque the caliper guide bolts to the factory spec, then reinstall the wheel and hand-tighten lug nuts. Lower the vehicle, then torque the lug nuts to 88 ft-lb in a crisscross star pattern. Before driving, pump the brake pedal until it feels firm to reset the piston. Check brake fluid level, inspect for leaks, and perform a low-speed test drive confirming no noise, proper pedal travel, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.